Okay, hey everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to be using X Scratch or Scratch X 2.0. Um, so this really only gets rid of clear coat scratches, and I don't know if you can really see that from there to there. So first part of this video, I'm going to show you how to tell if it's a clear coat or not a clear coat scratch. I will have another video going more in depth with it, but the simple solution is get a spray bottle of water and spray on it. Now, as you can see, the scratch disappeared. So now, as soon as it dries, the scratch comes back. That means it's only went in the clear coat and it hasn't went any farther. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of it on a microfiber towel. This is a clean one, it's just very stained up. So we're going to put very little amount, and I'll show you about how much I'm putting. I put about that much on there, and it's very simple. You just get it like that. What we're going to do is we're going to rub it in a circle motion. Now, one thing is you want to clean the surface. Now, when I was out here taping it off, I already did that step. You want to clean the surface, spray it off real nice and good, wipe it down, just to make sure there's no dirt or anything on it that could scratch the car, because you are going to be pushing and going in a circle motion, because you are buffing it into it. So we're going to do this for a minute, and it should take that clear coat right off. Well, that clear coat scratch, I mean. I'm still seeing it a little bit, so I might add just a tad bit more. But that has gotten rid of most of it. Okay, so before I do that, I'm going to use the other side. Just kind of wipe the surface. See what it's done with just one coat of it. Okay, so from the scratch was about right here. The scratch is it's not as visible, I'll say it that way. Like, I can't even see half of it from what was there. So we're going to use probably about the same amount that I used. And this time I'm going to get on this side. I'm going to apply more pressure. Go over again. I have to get it right in the lighting just so I can see where it's at before I can just walk out here and tell. And my tape's ripping off. I put the tape there so you all would be able to tell where it's at. Clear coat scratches are kind of hard to see on camera, so. Okay. Wipe it off. See how that looks. Wow, that is working. Now, the only part I'm really even seeing is towards the bottom. But at this point, it's not even looking like a scratch. So let's spray it down. Use a different part of the towel. Let it dry. Okay, so the scratch has mainly disappeared for the most part. We're going to do one more coat just to see if it does any better with it. Hopefully it does. Just to test it out, I put more than I have the other times onto it. Okay, so the main part I'm seeing is more towards the bottom. Looks like there's some stuff on it. wipe it off real quick. So I'm seeing more towards the bottom than I am the top. The top's pretty much gone at this point. So I'm going to aim more towards the bottom down here. Take that off. I don't need that no more. The water done made it where it was coming off pretty easy anyways. Let's see where we're at. There we go. That worked out quite well, actually. Okay, so this is not a sponsored video. I'm not getting paid for this video at all. This is just a review. It worked. It seems to work out quite well. Now again, this is for clear coat scratches. This is not for deep scratches. Like I said, I'll have a video going more in depth about that, and I will leave that video down in the description for you. Again, I hope this video helped you out, and give it a thumbs up rating, and I will see you all next time.